In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a simple but powerful way to make your spreadsheet easier to read. It helps important values stand out automatically based on rules you choose, such as highlighting numbers above a certain amount, dates before today, or cells that contain specific text. Once it's set up, the formatting updates on its own whenever the data changes, which can save time and make trends much easier to spot. To get started, first select your data, highlight the cells or columns you want to format. This is important because the rule you create will only apply to the range you select. If you only want one section of your sheet to respond to the formatting, be careful to select just that area. If you want the rule to cover a full column, make sure the entire column range is included before moving on. Next, open the menu. Go to the top menu bar. Click Format and then choose Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Formatting panel on the right-hand side of the screen. That side panel is where you'll build and manage your rule. If you don't see the panel right away, just make sure you selected the correct menu option and that your data is still highlighted. Once the panel is open, set the rule. In the Format Rules section, look for the drop-down labeled Format Cells. Click that drop-down and choose the condition that matches what you want to highlight. For example, you might choose greater than, less than, is empty text contains, or a date-related rule. The option you choose determines when the formatting should appear. So take a moment to pick the condition that best fits your data. After that, define the values and formatting. Enter the value, date, or text that should trigger the rule. Then choose the formatting style you want to apply when the condition is met. A common choice is changing the cell fill color. But you can also adjust text color or other visual styles depending on what's available. Try to choose a format that makes the result obvious without making the sheet hard to read. Finally, save your rule by clicking Done. As soon as you do, the selected cells will update based on the condition you created. If the data changes later, the formatting will update automatically. And that's how to add conditional formatting in a quick and effective way.